So basically, this is me in a big truck. I don't even know what kind of fucking truck it is. And I'm kind of riding down the beach side. See? This is me at work. Just a little preview of what I do, how I do. Chilling in the AC, listening to Like a Freak. Fucking pussy ass Miami Beach po-po. Like a freak. Ooh, sounds like a Hemi. So as you can see, there's a lot of commotion on the beach tonight. Fucking Memorial Weekend hasn't even officially started yet. So, for everybody who plans to be out here fucking up the road for Memorial Weekend, this is your formal warning. Don't come to Miami Beach playing that fuck shit. They gonna fuck you up. See, it's about 30 of these bitches out here don't even look like shit going on. So imagine if you out here fucking around for real. They'll pull your ass over walking and all. Okay, that's the end of my clip. Back to work.